I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coros Apex 2 Pro. First, unbox your new watch and connect it to the magnetic charging cable. A full charge usually takes around 2 hours, ensuring you start with maximum power. To power it on, simply press and hold the back button for 3 seconds. Next, download the Coros app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your watch via Bluetooth, completing the initial setup seamlessly. Navigating your Coros Apex 2 Pro is intuitive. The digital dial, located on the side, allows you to effortlessly scroll through various widgets like heart rate, elevation, and notifications. A single press of the back button will always take you to the previous screen or back to your main watch face. To dive into the main menu, simply press the digital dial once from the watch face. Remember, you can personalize your watch face and data screens extensively using the Coros app on your phone. The Apex 2 Pro excels at tracking your activities. From the main menu, select your chosen sport, whether it's running, cycling, or hiking. Once outdoors, allow a few moments for the watch to acquire a strong GPS signal, usually under 30 seconds. Press the digital dial to begin your workout and press it again to pause. To end your session, simply hold the digital dial. Afterwards, you can review comprehensive metrics including distance, pace, and heart rate zones directly on the watch or in the app. The Coros Apex 2 Pro boasts impressive battery life, offering up to 17 days of regular use or 45 hours in full GPS mode, perfect for extended adventures. Explore advanced features such as offline global maps and precise turn-by-turn navigation to stay on course. Leverage the Coros Evo Lab platform to gain insights into your recovery, training load, and fitness levels. Always ensure your watch firmware is updated through the Coros app to benefit from the latest enhancements and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.